Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 129. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaojing and Xiaoshu. Next day, it was early in the morning. Finally, Su Hishi is already healed. Well, thanks to Xiaojing that she really helped her last night. Looking at Xiaojin, she was blushing when the filming starts. Su Hishi, she was looking at hers. Well, definitely this scene is a close contact of the two of them. It has been nearly half a year since the filming of the black and white feather exceeded the original planned shooting time. Well, probably this is the longest time of the shooting that the two of them are been through. Director Lee already discussed with the producer and decided to up investment fund to extend the shooting cycle. Director Lee, the phone number of the producer. Director Lee, right now, she's answering the phone and said, say, they paid for it. Now, the shooting will take longer again. Oh, it must really exhausting, right? Seeing that on the golden signboards of Su Hishi and Yu, they are willing to pay the money. But there are additional requirements for it. Director said, say it. They're hoping to add a passionate scene to Su Hishi and Gu Shishi in order to increase the gimmick and highlights and ensures that the book will be returned. The producer is asking director. So right now, Director Lee, she suddenly got fussed about this. Well, let's see, and let's hope for this. The scene, it may be really interesting. Now, Director Lee was looking at Xiaojin and Su Hishi. The two of them are sitting far away from each other. Well, probably, she was saying the two of them will comply. But suddenly, at a play or a bed scene. Are they newcomer to what Su Hishi and Gu Shishi are? This really getting exciting, right? On the other hand, it was Su Hishi. She said to her that she really can explain it. Well, of course, the feeling is really emotional and also mixed. But right now, Director Lee, unless, no matter how much the funds are, give me more creative spaces. So right now, she was thinking of having difficulty to explain to Su Hishi and Gu Shishi about this. The producer said she understand, and finally, the phone. It turned off for a while. For Director Lee, still, she was looking on her phone. Now, this is to come to the two ladies. She's going to inform them on what will happen. There's also adjustment on the script and also a play. Well, this is really getting exciting, right? On the other hand, the watch writing. Look at him. She's really getting crazy to change the script. For a while, let's see on what will happen next. It was a new script output. The black and white feather, the script. Now, it's been modified. Oh, that was too fast, right? Looking at the reaction of Xiaojin. Can this be shot? Well, of course, she really can't believe about this. The shooting is really getting crazy. But for Su Hishi at this moment, it seems that it was really normal for her. She was acting normal. And she don't have any reactions for that. So probably she really accept the fact the two of them are going to film that. Of course, Xiaojing, it really feels awkward on her. And Su Hishi is suddenly looking at her. Of course, it was really awkward. But right now, Xiaojin, look at her. Her face, she really acts normal right now. When Su Hishi was looking at hers, she felt more relaxed. A few days later, the scene was about to start filming and irrelevant personnel had been cleared out at the scene. Now, the scene is going to start filming. Actors' exclusive dressing room. Sure enough, the wrong person was not picked. Well, probably only a few personnel inside, including Xiaojin, the director, her assistant, and Su Hishi. You are Xin Shiyu. The director said to her. Well, looking at her face, she looks cool. Mr. Jia, you came here sudden. Is there anything you have to explain? You're worried that you won't be used on such a scene. Well, definitely. Shaojin said the script was changed and very reasonable, and the scenes ignited the suppressed feelings between the protagonists and along each other. Now, I can really accept this. Of course, the scene, it just can't be. Now, Mishia, someone was calling the director. Suddenly, it was Ara who suddenly came in. Probably she knows that the shooting will come through today, and it was a scene. That's why she come to see Suhi shippers. Well, this is not good, right? Ara, it seems that she has a motive for Suhishi. I heard that you have worked very hard to film, so I brought fruit to visit the class, and by the way, I will wait for Xiaosu to finish the work. So it turns out she really knows about the shooting, that's why right now she was going to wait for Suhishi to be able to finish the work. Oh, this girl. Maybe she got really jealous about Suhishi and Xiaojing's for the taping for today. That's why, look at her face. It seems that she is really getting jealous about this. Of course, she knows to herself that the two of them are ex-girlfriend. The jealousy is really unavoidable in this case, especially the scene. They'll be getting closer to each other. Well, let's see, when the filming, the scene, come and wait for it. It should not be intentional to do it, don't rest. Oh wait, at most, she cares a little bit, Xiaojing said to hers. Well, of course, right now. Now, Xiaojin, she looks really sad. That should also be, I think. Well, let's see what will happen on the shooting. It's really getting emotional, right? The room, it seems to be completed, and only waiting for the actors. Before filming, I should say hello to Ara first, Xiaojin said to hers. But Suhishi and Ara on the other side. Look at them, it really feels awkward. Really getting jealous about this. But Xiaojin surely got interrupted. Suddenly, Suhishi and Ara. She seems to be surprised by the presence of hers. Well, Xiaojin, she wants to walk into the room. And Suhishi and Ara was still there. Well, this could be really an awkward moment. And let's see. Three of them are looking at each other. Suhishi and Ara suddenly become silent by the presence of Xiaojing. Well, of course, the scene, it becomes more silent. Let's see on what will happen on the next episode. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!